Hello YouTube, we had our first snowfall of the season with accumulation. We had like a ½ inch a while back, I can't remember, but 4 to 6 inches. The winch worked good. I had a little trouble with the cable binding because it goes in and out so many times, but that's no biggie. I did take half the cable off that, but already got the roof melted off. A lot of that was melting last night. So we'll take a couple pictures of the snow so you can see what it looks like there. We all know what snow looks like, but see what it looks like how much I got in the yard. Thanks for watching.